the deadline, you stayed under budget, you even popped the champagne, but then the support tickets start rolling in. Thousands of them. The app crashes, the buttons don't work, and the client is furious. This is the cost of poor quality. It's the hidden tax on every project that cuts corners. It's always more expensive to fix a mistake than it is to prevent one. I'm Margaret, and today on the pmStudent Insider, we're going beyond good enough to show you how to build quality into your project from day one. Let's look at Maya. She's leading a high-pressure website redesign. Her lead developer just told her, "Maya, we're 2 days behind. If we skip the peer reviews and the final accessibility audit, we can still launch on Friday. Everything looks fine on my screen anyway." It's a tempting offer when you're staring down a deadline, but Maya knows the trap. If we skip the review, we aren't saving 2 days. We're just delaying a week of bug fixes and reputation damage later. We aren't launching a finished product, we're launching a liability. Maya realizes the team has shifted their focus from building it right to just getting it done. She halts the sprint for a quick huddle to reset. She explains that quality isn't an extra feature, it's the foundation. Without it, the deliverable doesn't actually fulfill its purpose. To avoid Maya's situation, you need to understand the difference between quality assurance and quality control. Most people use these terms interchangeably, but for a PM, they are very different. Quality assurance, or QA, is about the process. It's proactive. It's the set of activities you do to ensure the process is capable of delivering a good result. Think of it as the recipe. The recipe is solid and the kitchen is clean, the cake should be good. Quality control, or QC, is about the product. It's reactive. It's the inspection at the end, the taste test. Here's the secret. You can't inspect quality into a product at the very end. If you wait until the project is finished to check for quality, you've already lost the time and money spent on those mistakes. You have to build quality into the workflow. If the process is broken, the product will be too. So how did Maya fix her team's workflow? She implemented a definition of done checklist, or DoD. This isn't just a simple to-do list, it's a quality contract. From now on, no task moves to complete until it meets these 4 points. The code is peer-reviewed, the mobile responsiveness is verified, the accessibility check is passed, and the documentation is updated. By standardizing these checkpoints, Maya removed the guesswork. The team no longer asks, "Is this good enough?" They ask, "Does this meet our definition of done?" It shifts the culture from individual opinion to a shared professional standard. It might feel like it slows you down for a minute, but it eliminates the rework that kills project schedules later on. Here's a quick rule of thumb to keep your quality on track. The 3-click rule. For any deliverable, if it's not simple, verified, and consistent within the first few layers of use, it's not finished. If it's not right, it's not done. If this tip helped you level up your PM game, like this video and subscribe. In the comments, tell me, what's one quality check you never skip? I'm Margaret, and this is pmStudent Insider. We'll see you next time when we talk about cutting through the communication noise.